What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before I start off the title of this video, I'm actually gonna be going, what's it called? Let me double check what's it called, because I know a couple of you guys are gonna be going to this if you guys are from SoCal. Elite Tuner SoCal Six Flags. Bam, here's a picture of it right here. So I'm actually gonna be going to this. It is at Six Flags Magic Mountain in Valencia. It is on November 17th from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I know a lot of you guys are asking, hey, when are you gonna do a car meet, or hey, when are you gonna do a meet and greet? Well, if you guys are around the area, this is probably gonna be the next chance to go to do it. I think I Am Danimal is gonna be going there too. Don't quote me on that. I said I think. And I think it's like 20 bucks to get in, but it's pretty much like a car show like thing and stuff. You guys know what I'm talking about. Look him up if you guys don't know what I'm talking about. But Elite Tuner, follow him on Instagram. Really cool guy. Actually, he has a Type R right now, I think, the owner of it. But yeah, I'm gonna be going to that, and I'm pretty excited. So I already bought my tickets. I already have that weekend off, and if you guys go, you go. If you don't, then oh well. But just letting you know, if you guys are around that area, it's probably like a 45-minute drive for me. So cars and coasters, why not? K-tuned shift knob. As of right now, I'm rocking the 9th gen shift knob. Excuse the mess, by the way. I like it, but I feel like I need something. I wanted something different, and then I also need to look into a new boot, shift boot. So if any of you guys know of a cool make that I can get, let me know. I'm looking for something similar to this, like black and red. I do need to detail my car though, but and that's not what this video is about. So take that off. Really simple. Like, oh dude, it's probably not the best way to weigh him, but this is a lot lighter, like significantly lighter, and this is significantly heavier. Like, I want to say maybe this is twice the pound, twice the amount of weight than that. So where did I get this? Oh dude, I used to have another shifter in here. So you're supposed to put this underneath it, like bam, like right there, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna be an OG and do that like that. Wait, like that? No, like this. No, too much. Perfect. All right, let's see. Dude, this feels great. Reverse. It won't get out unless I really force it like that. So it's cool how it is. I know this is supposed to go underneath it to make sure it does not move at all, but I've had this one like two shift knobs ago, and I like the fact that I don't need a wrench to use it. So I like that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in its box right in there, and put this right in here, and we're chilling. Dude, I'm actually on my way to the gym, so I have this, I have my rag. I actually randomly bought this from a guy off of the 8th gen page on Facebook. Right here, if you guys want to look into it, I think it was like 45 bucks shipped, and he has different colors in this. I just chose red because why not? Red and black and red, black and red, red. Gotta make it match the theme of this car. So I'm gonna start looking into a better shift boot, and I need to start actually putting more money into the interior. Well, I need to put more money into the car regardless, but I gotta see where I'm at first. And blah, blah, blah. So let's go and drive this around. I really want to see if this makes a real difference or not. All right, let's do this. It actually feels pretty good. Like, I know that's really dumb of me to say, but I know a lot of people that have weighted shift knobs don't ever go back stock. Like, that's a fact. Hey, chill. Dude, it doesn't feel bad. Like, I like it. K-tuned, bruh. Yeah, dude, mira la policía. Well, yeah, dude, Call of Duty 4 came out, or Black Ops 4 came out. Fortnite Season 6. I just beat Spider-Man 4. That's all I've been doing, by the way, on my time off. And what's it called? Forza Horizon 4 came out. I don't know what game to play. Yeah, I mean, just throwing it out there. I think he wants the sauce. Dude, shift's pretty good. That made a difference. I like it. I like it. It feels good in my hands too. Ora, my bad, no homo. Fucking get it, bruh. Sweaty a la madre way. I go to 24 Hour Fitness right here, you know what I mean, but right here at the collection in Oxnard, Cali. There's two that are actually by my house. Actually, there's one that's closer to my house, but I chose to drive here so I can get a better driving. Swear there's something in my trunk that I need to like tie down, or I just need to empty that shit out. Feels really good. Second and third gear pull, not bad. You know what? Going into fifth gear actually feels a lot more precise. I never go into fifth gear because my dumb ass tends to miss it sometimes. No matter how loud you make your Honda, it's still gonna rasp because it's a Honda. In case you guys are wondering, I pretty much have everything done to the transmission that I possibly can without rebuilding it and like pretty much bringing it down. Like, I have cable and base bushings. I also have a short throw shifter. I just have a torque solution one. I think that's what it's called. It's just one of those adapters that you put on the bottom of it. What else do I have? I have a new OEM CMC, new OEM slave, and a new PRL clutch line. What else do I have? I think that's it. Shifting. Oh, I also, to get rid of the notchiness, or to make it shift like butter pretty much, all I did was drain my transmission oil and put new one in. So I changed it. I just went with Honda OEM, dude. Like, you can't go wrong with OEM, especially if it's when did I change it? 2016, 2017, and dude, it shifts tremendously better. And if you guys are wondering what has been done to my car, because you guys are probably new to the channel, if or not, everything's in the description. I might have missed a couple things, but majority of the stuff that I've done to the car is right there. There isn't really much. It's pretty much just simple bolt-ons, full suspension, mediocre suspension actually, not the best, but not the worst. Oh, I'm starting not to be able to concentrate now. All right. Yeah, just in case some of you guys are wondering how my car looks, it looks like this. Ignore how dirty it is, but she's been treating me pretty well lately. I just need to take care of her a little bit better. Yeah, I need to take care of her a little bit better. But yeah, sorry to end it so awkwardly, but last night I just got a random migraine in the middle of driving, so I wanted just to get home and knock out. So bottom line, weighted shift knob, dude, they're worth it. I mean, it's only like 40 bucks. I got mine $45, and it's a good one. K-Tune's a good brand. I'm sure there's other brands out there. I'm sure there's heavier ones out there, but I mean, it's a shift knob. It's gonna be cool. Like, and the funny thing is, that's the same size that the stock 8th gen comes in. So it came with a little skinny one. and that's a skinny one as well. You guys know what I'm talking about. And then a 9th gen one is like a ball. I always hated the regular 8th gen one, but now that I'm driving this one around, it feels good. That's the main reason why I switched over to the 9th gen, because it had a better grip. But with this one, I don't know, I like it better. So it's not gonna make you shift faster, it's not gonna make you faster at all. It's just gonna make you, I guess, make it more precise. I don't even know how to explain it. So just get one. You know, weighted shift knob isn't a bad thing. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. You guys have a good day. Peace.